He wouldn't hurt a fly. Have you ever heard someone saying this? What does this idiom mean? Hello everybody, this is Atoshi and welcome back to the channel Atoshi'sEdulore English for All. He wouldn't hurt a fly. Wouldn't hurt a fly is used to emphasize the fact how harmless a person or animal is, that he wouldn't hurt a fly even. Someone who is too gentle to want to hurt anyone. Very gentle and absolutely harmless. In that situation, we can say that he wouldn't hurt a fly. My cousin looks big and dangerous, but he wouldn't hurt a fly. The dog may look fierce, but he wouldn't hurt a fly. He is absolutely harmless and too gentle to hurt anyone. How can you blame him of doing so? He wouldn't hurt a fly, though he looks tough. My grandmother was a pious lady. She wouldn't hurt a fly, no matter what. No matter what happens, who says what, she would never hurt anyone. She was such a kind-hearted and a gentle lady. This idiom can also be said as would never hurt a fly, couldn't hurt a fly, or can't hurt a fly. So in place of wouldn't hurt a fly, wouldn't can be replaced by would never, couldn't, or can't. All the idioms remain the same, the meaning remain the same. So next time when you find a person too gentle to harm anyone, you can use this idiom to describe him. So here you have got another idiom. Now quickly frame a sentence and write it below. I'll be again back with the next idiom in the next episode. Till then, take care, bye-bye, and yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.